Are you ready to unlock the potential of AI-powered video creation and start making money online? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using CapCut's AI Video Maker. This step-by-step guide is perfect for beginners looking to dive into the world of AI content creation and passive income in 2025. Hey there, it's your friendly neighborhood AI enthusiast, and I'm excited to share this incredible opportunity with you. If you have been searching for a way to generate income online without a hefty investment or technical skills, you're in the right place. In this article, I'll walk you through the process of using CapCut's AI video generator to create engaging content and monetize it effectively. Let's start with the basics. CapCut is a powerful video editing tool that's gained massive popularity, especially for its AI-driven features. The AI Video Maker function is a game changer for content creators, allowing you to produce professional-looking videos with minimal effort. But here's the kicker: you can leverage this tool to not just create content but to make money online fast. Now you might be wondering, how exactly can I turn CapCut videos into cash? Well, that's what we're here to explore. I'll guide you through each step, from setting up your CapCut account to optimizing your videos for maximum earning potential, and the best part: you don't need any prior experience or a big budget to get started. First things first, let's talk about why CapCut's AI Video Maker is such a powerful tool for making money online in 2025. The AI-driven features allow you to create high-quality, engaging videos quickly and easily. This means you can produce more content in less time, increasing your chances of success in the competitive world of online content creation. One of the key advantages of using CapCut is its trending features. The platform is constantly updating with new effects, transitions, and AI-powered tools that can help your videos stand out. By staying on top of these trends, you can create content that resonates with viewers and attracts more engagement, which is crucial for monetization. Now let's dive into the step-by-step process of using CapCut's AI Video Maker to start your online money-making journey. Step 1. Download and set up CapCut. Head to your App Store and download CapCut. It's free to use, which is perfect for those starting with a limited budget. Once installed, open the app and familiarize yourself with the interface. Don't worry if it seems overwhelming at first. We'll focus on the AI features that matter most for our money-making strategy. Step 2. Explore the AI Video Maker. Navigate to the AI Video Maker section within CapCut. This is where the magic happens. You'll find options to generate video content based on text prompts, images, or even existing video clips. Take some time to experiment with different inputs and see what the AI can create. Step 3. Choose your niche before you start creating videos. It's important to decide on a niche. This could be anything from tech reviews to cooking tutorials or even motivational content. Choose something you're passionate about or knowledgeable in, as this will make content creation more enjoyable and authentic. Step 4. Create your first AI-generated video. Now it's time to put the AI to work. Use the AI Video Maker to generate a short video in your chosen niche. Start with a simple prompt or idea and see what the AI produces. Remember, you can always edit and refine the output to better suit your vision. Step 5. Enhance your video with CapCut's editing tools. While the AI does a lot of the heavy lifting, you'll want to add your personal touch. Use CapCut's editing features to trim clips, add text overlays, adjust audio, and apply effects. This is where you can make your content truly unique and engaging. Step 6. Optimize for platforms. Consider where you'll be sharing your videos. Different platforms have different requirements and preferences. For example, vertical videos work well on TikTok and Instagram Reels, while longer horizontal videos might be better for YouTube. Adjust your content accordingly using CapCut's formatting options. Step 7. Implement monetization strategies. Know that you have your video ready. It's time to think about monetization. There are several ways to make money with your AI-generated content. Affiliate marketing. Include affiliate links in your video descriptions or as overlays in the video itself. Sponsored content. As your channel grows, brands may pay you to feature their products in your videos. Ad revenue. If you're posting on platforms like YouTube, you can earn money through ad placements. Digital products. Create and sell your own digital products related to your niche. Step 8. Consistency is key to succeed in making money online with AI-generated videos. Consistency is crucial. Set a schedule for creating and posting content and stick to it. The more you use CapCut's AI Video Maker, the better you'll become at crafting engaging videos that resonate with your audience. Step 9. Analyze and adapt. Pay attention to which videos perform well and why. Use this information to refine your content strategy. CapCut's AI can help you create various styles of videos, so don't be afraid to experiment and see what works best for your audience. Step 10. Scale your efforts. As you start seeing success, consider scaling your efforts. This might mean creating content for multiple platforms or even outsourcing some of the work while you focus on strategy and growth. Now let's address some common questions you might have. Q. Is it really possible to make money with AI-generated videos? A. Absolutely. While it requires effort and strategy, many creators are successfully monetizing AI-generated content. Q. Do I need to show my face in the videos? A. Not necessarily. CapCut's AI Video Maker allows for faceless content creation, which is perfect for those who prefer to remain anonymous. Q. How long does it take to start making money? A. This varies greatly depending on your niche, strategy, and consistency. Some creators see results within weeks, while for others it may take months. Q. Are there any costs involved? A. CapCut offers many features for free, making it an excellent option for those starting with no budget. As you grow, you might choose to invest in premium features or additional tools. Remember, the key to success in making money online with AI-generated videos is to provide value to your audience. Use CapCut's AI Video Maker as a tool to create engaging, informative, or entertaining content that people want to watch and share. As we wrap up, I want to encourage you to take action today. Download CapCut, explore the AI Video Maker, and create your first video. The world of AI content creation and online monetization is evolving rapidly, and there's no better time to get started than now. With dedication, creativity, and the power of AI at your fingertips, you have the potential to build a successful online income stream. So what are you waiting for? Your journey to making money online with AI-generated videos starts now. Good luck and happy creating.